goodness, guys, I'm not ready for the video. It has been a long 24 days. I'm exhausted and I forgot to get together. I'm sorry, guys, forgive me. This is bad craftsmanship. Hold on 1 second. Goodness, that's better. Merry Christmas, you guys. I feel so much better now. So I'm so happy you're joining me today. It is December 24th, 2022. Oh my goodness, Christmas Eve. I'm so excited to see what we got in our Sugoi Mart Japan crate box for our Christmas advent calendar. Oh my goodness, it's going to be fantastic and I'm excited. So, thank you so much for joining me these last 24 days. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I hope to have more content for you, more inventive things. So I'm just so wonderful to have wonderful fans that are so wonderful and sweet, nice and kind, and I'm always, of course, super excited. So thank you so much for joining me. Oh, I love you guys. All right, let's see what we got on day 24. All right, guys. So recap: day 1 in the bars, day 2 is finally got this one. It is packing sticker dispenser. Kirby, 4, matcha, 5, sushi, 6, bunny, 7, chocolate, 8, and right here, 8, and that's going to be our mass. 9 is our curry. 10 is our Pocky Wagon. 11 marshmallows. 12 is our chocolate Kit Kat cheesecake flavor. 13 is our food plate. 14 is our biscuits. 15 is more food, sushi, and tea. 16 is our cinnamon roll. 17, I was only 17. Oh, 17 is our kitty. 18 is our nano box, Shin-chan. 19, let's see, 19 is our Menju chocolate. 20 is our pin. 21 is awesome green tea. 22 is yum orange Kit Kats. 22, and then 23 is our little 24. Look how beautiful that is. Super excited. Here we go. Oh, how awesome. Very nice. Adorable. So cute. Love it. Alright, guys. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching and subscribing. So cute. I love it. This is a wonderful box and got great, amazing Japanese wonderfulness. It's worth a buy. It's worth the buy, guys. Alright. Have a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. I love you guys.